Hello, hi friends. I hope you all are very good and you all are watching the screen and you can understand very simply. Like I think in India and everywhere in India you can face this type of the problem that degree है पर job नहीं. It means we have a degree. A lot of people have a degree. You can see, you can watch in our village, in our town, in our city, everywhere. People are graduated. People are degree. People have a degree. A lot of degree, but job are not available. So what type of the problem there and what we are lacking, like when we compare with other country in India, what type of people are like lacking, our student, our friends, our elder, what type of the thing we are lacking. So today we will discuss in very simple way about the degree, what type of the importance of degree and why degree is important or a skill is important. So let's start our conversation like degree. So we all know in India, like a lot of people, they graduated, they have a degree of graduation and different degree, but they have a no job. So please understand it clearly. Like degree is a piece of paper. It's like a piece of paper. It can define that you studied something. Yeah, it proved that. Degree only prove you studied something, but it does not prove you are actually you can do something. No. So what is the problem in India? There is a question, why you have a degree but why no job? So I am able to say you in very simple language only 2 points. That first reason is that you all know in every year lakhs of students are graduated, but our companies and everywhere seat are and job are limited, and we all know their people are demanding like a skillful people. Yeah, degrees, I can say degree is just open the door. Yeah, degree can open the door, but a skill and discipline will keep you inside. So first major issue is that we all know our education system, Indian education system, like our education system is more like theory, more and more theory and less practical, A student memorize the thing, memorize the syllabus, but they don't know how to apply it. Yes, I completed my 12th, but I can say when I was in 10th class, when I was in 9th class, that time in my school, there were no lab, like practical lab, like chemistry lab, physics lab, bio lab, no lab. And you can think when you open the book, like chemistry, there are like chemical reaction, a lot of chemical reaction. And when you memorize, then you can think, because chemistry is no, without practical, without lab, chemistry is nothing. You can memorize, but when you watch the reality, like a lot of chemical reaction, like combination reaction, displacement reaction, when you watch in the lab, there is no need of the memorization and all. So we can think in Indian. So our government should imply it. Our government should think about it. How change it? How please get the practicality, more and more practicality. No theory, no only theory. So practical is more important. So that is the first reason, our education system like based on more and more theory, less practical. Second reason is that when people get a degree, they stop growing. Yeah, they stop growing when get a degree. Like when people do the graduation and like that, they think I completed my graduation and now they focus different type of the competitive exam, and they apply every type of the competitive exam, this, that, these, those, every type of the competitive exam, and they focus. So you can think, you can realize it, this type of the mindset, how you can get a job. No, there is a very different, very difficult you get a job. So I want to say, please upgrade yourself, improve your communication skill, and what type of the need, wake up of reality, you can see, and everywhere wake up of reality, like what is going on in our surrounding, in our country, a skill like a lot of coaching classes is going on. So please learn like coding, creating different things, and a lot of a skill is very important, communication skill and different type of the skill. If you have a skill, but if you have no job, you have a skill, you are able to get a money, earn a money, so it's a easy. So we can say in the very reality, upgrade yourself, improve your communication skill and learn something, a skill, because I already says that degree can open the door, but a skill, discipline will keep you inside. So please ask yourself what type of the potential you have, and please learn and please think about it and try to do according to. And you all know people are graduated, but they are not able to get a job, but job is limited, you all know. So please think about it. When you are in 9th class, 8th class, please think what type of the potential inside my body, what I want to do. Please advise your take a decision, your parents, teacher, and yeah, tolerate it and think about it and try to do. Because when you graduated and when you are if you don't get a job, like we all watching in our society and everywhere, like 30 years a student, 35, they are preparing for some competitive exam like railway and different competitive exam. What type of the mindset you can think? They are not able to get a job, then why you are investing your time like 30 and 35? So please think, and when you are not able to do, please change your every type of the potential. Like if you think I am not able to get a job in that sector, please change your sector, try to do something different according to your interest, according to your potential, according to your skill. So I hope you understood all the thing, because degree is very important, I know degree is very important, but main thing is like a skill, because company and everywhere they are demanding like a skill. If you have a skill, then very easy you can get a job. Degree is also important. So thank you, all the best, bye bye.